Hello everyone. I know it's been a while. I'm finally back. I'm very excited to get back into machining again after a little break. I have a really cool project I'm working on. This isn't a test I'm going to be doing. It's going to be pretty cool if it can work. I hope it does. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So here I'm zeroing the home position. The stock size was too big, so I kind of had to do it again later, which you'll see here in a second. Um, I realized there when I tried to put the end mill in the right position that it was too big. So here I'm turning it down to the correct size, which is half an inch in diameter. Um, it was pretty simple, just a simple turning operation. Then I brought it back over to the mill, clamped it up in the A-axis. It was the correct size. So I can then put the 1/8 inch bit in, zero the home position, put it in the right spot for cutting, and then just cut the first side of the hexagon. So what happened there is kind of what's happened all the other times I've tried to use the A-axis, because I'm getting started on a part. You are not going to want to miss it, so make sure to hit all the bells and whistles down below so you don't miss it. It's a really crazy project, but I need to know how to use the A-axis first. But this is basically what's happened every time. So if you look over at this program right here, as you can see, it looks like it should work. You have all the tool paths in the form of a hexagon, but because the axis is in the corner, for some reason it goes way too far away. So in the last part, I put it back to 0 here, but it was way up here when it was cutting because the axis, the home coordinate system, was, how do I put this, was closer to the bit than it was before, so it set it farther away, if that makes any sense. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do it to where the axis is in the center, so that it's the same distance from the axis every single time. So I changed the program, came back, and this is what it looks like when a program works. This was such a good feeling. It worked perfectly, and it was just that simple change. If you just put the coordinate system in the center of your circular part of your circular stock, it works.